Welcome to Aquatelier, your sanctuary for effortless botanical beauty and peaceful living. If you have ever felt overwhelmed by the messy reality of traditional indoor gardening, the scattered dirt on your pristine floors, the constant fear of overwatering, or the frustrating battle against soil-dwelling pests like fungus gnats, then you are about to discover a truly life-changing approach to bringing nature indoors. Today, we are completely eliminating soil from the equation. We are going to explore the 7 absolute best indoor plants that grow in water. Growing plants hydroponically in clear glass vessels is not just an aesthetic design trend. It is a highly functional, deeply rewarding way to maintain a lush indoor jungle with almost zero maintenance. By transitioning these specific resilient houseplants from dirt into pure water, you create a striking minimalist visual display that showcases the intricate, beautiful network of glowing white roots. This method eliminates root rot caused by dense potting soil and transforms your daily plant care into a simple, 2-minute peaceful ritual. Whether you want to decorate a dark office cubicle, bring life to your bright living room, or even create a natural biological filter for your desktop aquarium, this comprehensive guide will give you everything you need. Let's dive into the 7 incredible houseplants that will thrive indefinitely in just a glass of water. Plant 1. The indestructible pothos, Epipremnum aureum. We begin our list with the undisputed king of aquatic cultivation, the pothos. If there is one plant that was seemingly designed by nature to thrive in a glass vase, it is this magnificent trailing vine. Native to the understory of tropical rainforests, the pothos has evolved to send out robust aerial roots that search for moisture in the humid air. When you take a cutting of a pothos, ensuring that you include at least one of those small brown root nodes, and submerge it in water, it rapidly transforms those nodes into highly efficient aquatic roots. Within just 2 weeks, you will see a beautiful explosion of bright white roots filling your glass vessel. The pothos is incredibly forgiving, tolerating a wide spectrum of lighting conditions from bright, indirect sunlight to dim, windowless offices, illuminated only by fluorescent bulbs. Because of its vigorous growth rate and aggressive nutrient absorption, the pothos is also the absolute best plant to use if you keep a small planted aquarium. By resting the roots in your fish tank, the pothos acts as a powerful natural filter, pulling harmful nitrates from the water and keeping your aquatic pets exceptionally healthy. Plant 2. The elegant lucky bamboo, Dracaena sanderiana. Next on our list is a plant steeped in centuries of tradition, profound symbolism, and architectural elegance, the lucky bamboo. Despite its common name, this plant is actually a species of Dracaena. It is revered in feng shui practices for bringing harmony, positive energy, and prosperity to the home. Unlike many other houseplants that merely tolerate water, lucky bamboo actively prefers it, making it an essential addition to any aesthetic soil-free setup. To create a breathtaking display, simply place the stalks in a heavy glass cylinder and anchor them upright using smooth, dark river stones or polished quartz crystals. The most critical secret to mastering lucky bamboo is water quality. This highly sensitive plant despises the harsh chlorine and heavy fluoride found in standard tap water, which will quickly cause its beautiful green leaves to develop crispy, brown tips. To keep your lucky bamboo looking flawlessly vibrant and emerald green, always use purified, distilled, or bottled spring water. With just a simple water change every 2 weeks, this magnificent living sculpture will grace your desk for years without asking for anything more. Plant 3. The prolific spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. Moving on to number 3, we have the playful, arching, and highly rewarding spider plant. Known for its slender, ribbon-like leaves that feature beautiful green and white variegation, the spider plant brings a dynamic, cascading texture to your indoor water garden. What makes this plant truly special for water cultivation is its unique method of reproduction. A mature spider plant will send out long, graceful stems carrying tiny, fully formed baby plants, affectionately called spiderets. These baby spider plants already possess tiny root nodes at their base, making them the perfect candidates for immediate water propagation. When setting up a spider plant in water, precision is key. You must use a narrow-necked glass bottle or a specialized propagation cone. The goal is to allow only the very bottom of the root base to touch the water, while keeping the main crown and the leaves completely dry. If the leafy crown is submerged, it will rapidly decay and pollute your pristine water. Once established, the spider plant will develop thick, fleshy, tuberous roots that look incredibly striking through clear glass, turning a simple cutting into a complex piece of living art. Plant 4. The dramatic peace lily, Spathiphyllum. At number 4, we transition from vines and grassy foliage to a plant that offers large, dramatic, deeply veined leaves and stunning white floral blooms, the peace lily. While usually sold as a heavily potted soil plant, the peace lily possesses an incredible ability to adapt entirely to a bare-root aquatic lifestyle. Converting a mature peace lily to water is a deeply satisfying process. You must carefully remove the plant from its nursery pot and gently massage the root ball under lukewarm running water, meticulously washing away every single grain of dirt until you are left with a pristine, bare root system. Once placed in a large, elegant glass vase filled with room-temperature water, the peace lily transforms into a luxurious, high-end decor piece. It is the ultimate indicator plant. If the water level drops too low, its large leaves will dramatically droop, explicitly telling you it is thirsty. Within hours of refilling the vase, it will magically stand tall again. To encourage it to produce its iconic white flowers while living in water, place it in bright, indirect light and add a single drop of liquid hydroponic fertilizer to the water once a month during the spring. Plant 5. The velvety heartleaf philodendron. Number 5 introduces a plant that perfectly rivals the pothos in terms of durability and trailing beauty, the heartleaf philodendron. While they may look similar at first glance, the philodendron offers distinctly heart-shaped leaves that possess a soft, almost velvety matte finish, providing a sophisticated romantic texture to your Aquatelier setup. The heartleaf philodendron is phenomenally easy to grow in water. Simply take a cutting just below a leaf node and drop it into a jar of fresh water. This plant is renowned for its extreme tolerance to low-light environments, making it the perfect choice for illuminating dark corners, bookshelves, or bathroom countertops where other plants would slowly perish. As it grows, the philodendron will create a cascading waterfall of deep green foliage. The delicate, thread-like white roots it produces in water are incredibly beautiful to observe. It requires almost no intervention. Simply top off the water as it evaporates and enjoy the effortless jungle-like atmosphere it creates in your home. Plant 6. The vibrant arrowhead vine, Syngonium podophyllum. For our 6th plant, we are looking at a species that brings a stunning variety of colors and leaf shapes into your water garden. The arrowhead vine, or Syngonium. While pothos and philodendrons primarily offer shades of green, the arrowhead vine is available in breathtaking hues of pastel pink, creamy white, and deep burgundy. Its leaves begin as distinct arrow shapes and slowly mature into complex, multi-lobed foliage. The Syngonium is a highly aggressive rooter when placed in water. A single cutting will quickly push out a dense, intricate web of bright, healthy roots that are absolutely mesmerizing to view through a clear crystal vase. Because of its vibrant coloration, the arrowhead vine requires slightly more light than a philodendron to maintain its striking pastel hues. Placed near a bright east-facing window, this plant will thrive hydroponically for years. Its bushy, upright growth habit in its juvenile stage makes it an excellent centerpiece for a minimalist dining table or a clean, organized workspace. Plant 7. The iconic Monstera Deliciosa. Finally, we reach number 7, the ultimate statement piece, the undisputed heavyweight champion of the houseplant world, the Monstera Deliciosa. Known for its massive fenestrated leaves full of natural holes and splits, the Monstera brings an immediate, bold, tropical architectural presence to any room. Most people assume a plant this massive requires a gigantic, heavy pot of soil, but the Monstera can absolutely be cultivated in pure water. Because the Monstera is a large, heavy climbing vine, you must start with a substantial glass vessel, like a heavy, wide-bottomed glass floor vase, to ensure stability. When taking a cutting, you must include a portion of the thick main stem featuring at least one of its thick, rigid, brown aerial roots. When you submerge that tough aerial root into your water vase, an incredible biological transformation occurs. The thick brown root will begin branching out, producing a massive, intricate network of fuzzy white aquatic roots. Watching a Monstera root system develop in a large glass vase is a spectacular, captivating experience. It turns a standard houseplant into a living, breathing, museum-quality art installation right in your living room. Final thoughts. Transitioning your indoor garden from messy, unpredictable soil to clean, serene water is one of the most rewarding decisions you can make. Whether you choose the indestructible pothos, the elegant lucky bamboo, or the monumental Monstera Deliciosa, you are actively choosing a lifestyle of peace, aesthetic beauty, and minimal effort. You are creating a living environment that heals and calms the mind. If you found this guide helpful and are ready to start your own soil-free journey, please subscribe to Aquatelier. Our mission is to help you build beautiful, self-sustaining botanical spaces with absolute ease. Thank you so much for watching. Keep your spaces vibrant and clean, and I will see you in the next peaceful video.